So I hope we are live now, but let me check just if we are live or not. So yeah, so we are live. So hey, hello, hi everyone, welcome to the session. This is Manisha, your class 9 chemistry educator. So I welcome all of you on Unacademy ICSE and ISC YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve the sample question paper for chemistry for class 9. Okay, so this is my credentials. So I have 6 years of teaching experience, and you can join me on Telegram. Okay, and using this link also you can join the official channel of Unacademy ICS and ISC boards, which you can on which you can receive all the latest notifications, offers and everything. Okay, so everyone, please let me know who are present in the class. Okay, so am I clearly audible and visible to everyone or not? Also Unacademy free special classes are there where you can join me, and you can have so many benefits of your free special classes, like you can have real-time interactions using the chat and emojis. You can ask questions using the question tab, polls, poll leaderboard. So many things are there. Okay, so you just have to download the Unacademy app. Use my code Manisha Live, okay, to unlock all my free special classes. Hello Piyush, welcome to the session. So you can use my code Manisha Live to access all my free special classes. And the my special class for class 9 generally starts at 5:15 p.m. in the evening. So you can join me over there. And if you want to take the subscription, you can have the subscription as well. So there are so many features of Unacademy subscription. So with subscription, you can learn live from the home, unlimited access to all the courses. Top educators of India are teaching on this particular platform. Okay, and live test series, batches, mentorship and guidance. So many things are there to access. And once you take the subscription for class 9, so right now if you're in class 9 and you take the subscription, you get 10, 11 and 12 subscription for free. Okay, so you can use my code Manisha Live for 10% discount on all the subscription. Okay, do not forget to use this code because you won't get any subscription without using the code. Also, you are having Emerge mock test series for only class 10 learners. Okay, so if you have any class 10 seniors, you can inform them that on 8th March we have chemistry mock test. Okay, so you can take the subscription if you want to. So let's start the class. So I hope everyone is ready. So let's start with the class. So in the last class, we have already solved a few questions. Okay. So this question, I think we have solved balancing the chemical equation. We will start from here. Identify the substances which matches the description given below. Okay. So we have already solved till here. Half of the question paper we have solved in the previous class. We will start with the other half. So you have to tell me which white crystalline substance will sublime on heating. Okay. You have to identify the white crystalline substance which sublimes on heating. Everyone please try to answer the question, what is this substance known as which sublimes on heating? Yes? So anyone having any idea? Okay. Hello Harsh, very good, absolutely correct. It's your NH4Cl. Yes, Poonam, very good. Yes, it's ammonium chloride. Yes, very good. Now second question, the gas which turns lime water milky but has no effect on potassium dichromate paper. Okay. So which gas is turning your lime water milky but has no effect on potassium dichromate? So everyone please try to identify this thing. Okay. Very good, Harsh. Yes, absolutely correct. It's your CO2. Yes. So it's your CO2 which sublimes on heating, which turns lime water milky but has no effect on your potassium dichromate paper. Now you have to identify the metal which cannot displace your hydrogen from dilute hydrochloric acid. Yes, Piyush, this is from your practical work. Yes, I told you that practical part is also important as your normal theoretical part. Okay, so practical part is also very important. So you have to tell me which metal cannot displace your hydrogen from dilute HCl. Yes, everyone, try to answer this question. Very good, Harsh. Yes, absolutely correct. It's your copper. Okay, so this thing, just let me answer it. So here I'm just writing the answer. Your white crystalline substance which gets sublimes on heating is NH4Cl. The gas which turns lime water milky is CO2. This is the reaction happening. CO2 plus calcium hydroxide provides you calcium carbonate and your water. This calcium carbonate is the white precipitate due to which your lime water turns milky, but this carbon dioxide has no effect on potassium dichromate. Okay. Okay, Piyush, on 5 you have chemistry paper and it's not coming. So in many classes, many schools that the analytical chemistry or you can say experimental chemistry is coming. Okay, so you can answer the question. You can know these type of questions because this is not only going to help you in your class 9 but in your class 10 also. It is going to stay forever with you. Yes, it's also there in HNO3 and HCl. Yes, Harsh, very good. And metal that cannot displace hydrogen from dilute hydrochloric acid, that is your copper. Of course, so copper comes below hydrogen in the reactivity series, so it cannot displace your hydrogen from your HCl. Okay, so it will not produce any salt or your water, hydrogen gas upon react, means it will not react only with your any acid like HCl or sulfuric acid. Okay, so this is all about your this question. Now we have matching. So let's try to match the things. You have on one column, you have causes hardness in water, causes ozone depletion, dehydrating agent, causes acid rain, drying agent. And in column B, you have to match these things which is responsible for having these effects. Okay, so try to answer all of you. Also, do not forget to like the class and share it with your friends. Okay, so which of the following will cause hardness in water? So, of course, the hardness in water is caused by your magnesium bicarbonate. Yes, magnesium bicarbonate will cause the hardness in water, which is responsible for causing ozone depletion. Please try to answer this thing. Ozone depletion, your option number D, that is chlorofluorocarbon. Dehydrating agent, I have already discussed this with you so many times. Yes, 2 D. Yes, very good, Piyush, absolutely correct. Which one you are telling? Magnesium bicarbonate. Okay, causes hardness in water. Very good. Yes, causes ozone depletion. That is chlorofluorocarbon. Very good. Which of the following is dehydrating agent? 3 ka 2. Very good. Concentrated sulfuric acid. 4 ka 2. 4 ka 2. Piyush, how can one means both the question can't have na both the same option. Okay. Causes acid rain. This is E, no? Causes acid rain. Which of the following will cause your acid rain? This nitrogen dioxide, no? Yes, HNO3 is not there, Harsh. So it has to be nitrogen dioxide which combines with the moisture in air and produces your nitric acid. Okay? Yes. And drying agent is A. That is 5 ka A. Okay? 5 numbers. Answer is your A. Drying agent is calcium oxide. Okay? So just let's do the matching over here. So matching में your causes hardness in water, that is one number, this one causes ozone depletion, chlorofluorocarbon, dehydrating agent, concentrated sulfuric acid, causes acid rain. This is your nitrogen dioxide. Drying agent is calcium dioxide. Okay. So yes, absolutely correct, everyone. Let's try to answer section 2. So this was all about your section 1. Okay. From section 2, yes. Okay, Harsh. So from section 2, you have to attempt any 4 questions. Okay, this is your 40 marks paper. Sorry, 40 marks section. So question number 2 is formula for chloride of a metal M is MCl2. You have to state the formula of its carbonate, nitrate and hydroxide. What is the formula of the compound whose chlorides is formula of the chloride is MCl2? Please try to answer. All of you. Okay, ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ गया तो फिर एवरेज मार्क्स. ओके, चलो very good. So I hope the questions are very simple. So sample paper में जैसा question है that type of questions only you will get. Okay, no hard questions will be there. Very tough questions are not there. Whatever you have studied from the chapters, that only will be asked. Crisscross method. Okay. Yes, crisscross method. So carbonate, yes, absolutely correct. It is MCO3. For nitrate, it is M bracket NO3 2, and hydroxide is also M bracket OH2. Yes. So let's write the chemical formula. So for carbonate, we have your MCO3. Nitrate, we have MNO3 2. For hydroxide, we have MOH2. So this is a, yes, very good. So this is the compound which is from your group 2 of the periodic table. So hence this type of compounds will be formed over here. Yes, Harsh, very good, absolutely correct. Okay. Just give me a moment, everyone. Please try to solve these questions. Okay. I will be just back in a moment. Okay. So let's I'm going to the next page. All of you, please try answering these questions and I will be back in a moment. Okay. All of you, please try to answer it. Okay, so I'm back, everyone. So all of you, please try to answer what is the balanced chemical equations for each of the following. Okay. So you have to give me the balanced chemical equation for each of the following. Your reaction of iron with chlorine. Okay, reaction of iron with chlorine. All of you, please try to answer it. Okay, so just give me a okay. Try to answer it, everyone. Okay. So this is, let me write the reaction for all of you. So your reaction with reaction of iron with chlorine is, yes, Fe plus Cl2 gives you FeCl3. Yes. So what is the balanced chemical equation? 2, here 3 and here also 2. This is the balanced chemical equation. Yes. Okay, very good. So you're just writing the reactants. Piyush, write the product as well. Okay. Now addition of silver nitrate solution to silver chloride solution. You have to write a balanced chemical equation for silver nitrate solution to silver chloride solution. All of you, please try to answer this. Silver nitrate to silver nitrate solution to sodium chloride solution. Okay. So what is the correct answer to this question? Yes, all of you, please try to answer. ये क्या है? You have to write the balanced chemical equations for the following reactions taking place over here. Okay. So try to answer it. Your silver nitrate is reacting with sodium chloride solution. Okay. So let me show you the reaction. Silver nitrate is this AgNO3. If it reacts with sodium chloride, it shows double displacement reaction, and what happens? Your AgCl is formed and NaNO3 is formed. Double displacement reaction. This AgCl comes out as white precipitate and this remains in the solution. Clear? If you want to balance it, it is already balanced. Silver 1, 1 nitrogen, sodium 1, sodium 1 and chlorine 1. Yes. Very good, Harsh. Absolutely correct. Yes, this is the correct reaction. Now addition of zinc. Okay, just give me a... Yes, addition of zinc to sodium hydroxide solution. You have to write a balanced chemical equation for addition of zinc, okay, to sodium hydroxide solution. Please try to answer this question. So zinc, when it is added to sodium hydroxide solution, what is the compound formed over here? So let's try to answer it. Okay. So your zinc, when it reacts with sodium hydroxide solution, it forms your sodium zincate Na2ZnO2 plus your H2. Okay, this is the chemical reaction happening over here. Sodium reacting with your zinc to produce sodium zincate and your hydrogen. Clear everyone? Tell me fast. Okay. So this is the chemical reaction happening over here. Okay. Z. Only Z you are writing, Harsh. So here let's try to balance it. Na2 is there, Zn is 1, 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen. Just put 2 over here. So this is totally balanced. 2 sodium, 2 sodium, 2 oxygen, 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Half answer by mistake. It's okay, Harsh, no issues. So is it clear to everyone? Please let me know once. Yes, this is the correct answer to all these questions. Now let's try to answer the other questions. So draw the orbit structure for each of the following compounds, methane and magnesium chloride. So we need to draw the orbit structure for methane and magnesium chloride. Let's draw it. Okay, let me take you to the black screen for this. So what is the orbit structure for methane? So in methane you have 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. All of you know this, that your carbon has 4 electrons in its valence shell. If you take like hydrogen, I am not prepared for my exam. It's not true, Piyush. So please pay attention in the class. So here you have hydrogen. Again here one more hydrogen. Again here one more hydrogen. And again here you have one more hydrogen. This is the orbit structure for your methane. Yes. And then we have magnesium chloride. So magnesium is having 2 electrons in its outermost shell, which it will give to 2 chlorine atoms, which have your 7 electrons in their outermost shell, like this. Yes. And now you can see your magnesium is forming bond, or you can draw it like this also. Okay, just let me draw it for you. So this is magnesium having 2 electrons in its valence shell, and it will donate that electron to your chlorine atom, like this. Yes, so this is the orbital structure for your magnesium chloride. Is it clear everyone? Please let me know. Okay. I am removing it. Okay. So this was all for your question number 2 in your section B. Now let's try to answer this question. Very easy now. Question number 3. Name the industrial method for the production of hydrogen gas. Ma'am, date sheet aa gayi exam ki. Okay, Himanshu. 10 ki. Yes. Okay. Ma'am, orbit structure and electron dot was there in semester 1. Is it also in semester 2? So Harsh, in a sample paper that I have downloaded from the official website of ICSE. Okay. So it has some question related to your orbital structure. So I don't think so that is going to be a big tension for you, because the orbital structures will be very easy, like ionic compounds or your covalent compounds, and your atomic number is already given in the question. So if it comes also, it should not be a matter of what it means stress for you. Yes, absolutely correct, Piyush. Bosch process. Okay, Himanshu, date sheet has come for class 10. Okay. So I will check it. What are the dates? Means when is your chemistry exam? Can you tell me? So when you have your chemistry exam for class 10? Okay. So you have to name the industrial method for production of hydrogen gas, and it's absolutely given correct answer by Piyush. Well done. It's Bosch process. Okay. Now you have to name the catalyst used in the above process. Which catalyst do we use in this above process? Okay. In Bosch process, which catalyst is used? Anyone can name it? Very good, Shri Kishun Chauhan. Yes, Bosch process. Name the catalyst used in Bosch process, everyone. Try to name the catalyst used in Bosch process. Okay. So no one has named it the catalyst 13 May. Okay. Fe3O4. No, Piyush, it's Fe2O3. Okay, it's Fe2O3 is the catalyst that we use in Bosch process. Ferric oxide. Okay. And your chromium oxide Cr2O3 is the promoter over here. Clear? So it's Fe2O3. Zinc. No, no, Harsh. 13 May. Okay. It's okay, Piyush. No issues. So here you can see that, let me write the answer for you. So the process used for preparation of your hydrogen gas is Bosch process. Okay. And the catalyst used in the above process is your Fe2O3, that is ferric oxide. Okay, okay. Okay, Piyush. I know you know this answer. Shri Kishun. Okay, yes, very good. Fe2O3 is the catalyst and Cr2O3 is the promoter. Write the balanced chemical equation for the production of water gas. You have to write the balanced chemical equation for the production of water gas. What is the balanced chemical equation? Everyone, please try to answer this. Balanced chemical equation for the production of water gas. Yes. So let me show you the question, then I will start answering it. Write the balanced chemical equation for the production of water gas. Okay. So I am just writing the equation. Anybody who knows the answer can write it in the comment section. This is your carbon reacting with steam in presence of like 1000 degrees Celsius temperature. Your water gas is produced. Yes, carbon red hot coke reacting with superheated steam at 1000 degrees Celsius or 1273 Kelvin produces your carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. This mixture of gas is known by the name of water gas. So this is the balanced chemical equation for the production of water gas. Clear, everyone? So correct answer here in this case is this is the reaction over here. So one carbon, one oxygen, two hydrogen, two hydrogen. Okay. Totally balanced. Yes, Siddharth, your phosphorus shows variable valency. Okay. Okay, variable valency it shows because sometimes your instead of losing electrons from valence shell, your phosphorus also loses the electrons from penultimate shell, due to which it can show variable valency. Okay. Clear? Okay. Is it clear, Siddharth? So your phosphorus shows variable valency due to the losing electrons from the penultimate shells. I hope this is clear. So let's come back to the topic. Okay. Ma'am, H2O2 also forms H2O2. Yes, yes. Hydrogen peroxide is also formed. Yes, that is there. Hydrogen peroxide is also formed. So it does it not form H2O2 generally on reacting? No. So your hydrogen peroxide is formed under like different conditions. You have different conditions for the formation of hydrogen peroxide. Okay, hydrogen peroxide is a compound of, or you can say oxide of hydrogen, which can act as a reducing agent as well as an oxidizing agent. Clear? Anyone having any more doubts? Anyone? Should I come back to the topic? Okay, Harsh. So there are certain conditions under which your hydrogen and oxygen will react together to give you hydrogen peroxide. Okay. So here the question is, what is meant by group in periodic table? So group means what? So you will generally write your vertical lines in the periodic table are known as groups. Yes, and horizontal lines, horizontal columns are known, horizontal rows are known by the name of periods. So groups are basically the vertical columns. Yes, let me write it for you. So groups are generally the vertical columns. Yes, and your periods are generally the horizontal rows. Okay. Now explain why elements of the same group exhibit the same chemical behavior. Okay, so explain why the elements of the same group exhibit the same chemical behavior. Why is it so? Please let me know the answer. Okay, why your elements of the same group exhibit the same chemical behavior? All of you please tell the answer. Try to answer it. Okay, yes, it's because of the same valence electrons. Okay, so elements in the same group, they have same number of valence electrons. Okay, and these valence electrons are only responsible for chemical properties exhibited by the elements. So yes, due to same number of valence electrons, your elements in the same group will exhibit similar chemical behavior. Okay. What you are writing, Sri Kushan Chauhan? Electronic configuration. Yes, that is also true, Harsh. Yes, similar electronic configuration will also enable the elements of the same group to exhibit the same chemical behavior. Or you can write it as the same number of valence electrons are found in the chemical in the same group. That's why they exhibit same chemical behavior. Okay? Because the valence electrons are the one which participate in the chemical reaction. Clear? Now, next question. Which group are inert gases placed in the periodic table? Very easy question. Yes? Very easy question. Try to answer this question, everyone. In which group are the inert gases placed in the periodic table? I am waiting for the answer. Why aren't you answering? Yes? Zero. That is group 80? No. Group 0, though it was in Mendeleev time. But in modern periodic table, your inert gases are placed in group 18. That is known by the name of group 0 also, but yes, but you have to write here group 18. Okay? Clear? Okay. So the correct answer in this case is your group 18. Now you are part of the periodic table. Okay. Okay, Harsh. Chalo, very good. Now the part of the periodic table is shown below with one element missing. You have to name the element that has duplet structure. In this periodic table part, which element has duplet structure? Everyone try to answer this question. Yes, Piyush. Yes. मीन्स वंस यू मतलब एक बार चैट भेजने के बाद इट टेक्स टाइम टू रीच मी. ओके, सो ट्राई टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन एवरीवन. This is your group 18, yes. And now here you can see, name the element that has duplet structure. This is your helium. Yes, of course, absolutely correct. Name the lightest alkali metal. This is your lithium. Lithium is the lightest alkali metal over here. So this is the correct answer. All of you can see it. Okay. Chalo. Yes. Let's move on to next question. Name the halogen of period 2. Okay, you have to name the halogen of period 2. So which one is the halogen of period 2? Very easy. Fluorine is the halogen of period 2. So it has to be fluorine. All of you please identify the missing element in this particular piece of periodic table. Which is the missing element in this periodic table? After nitrogen, which element is found? Okay. So try to answer it. No, it's yes, very good, Harsh. It's fluorine. So the missing element in this periodic table is your phosphorus. Yes. So correct answer in this case is phosphorus. Yes. Very good. Fluorine is the halogen of period 2. Okay. This is the condition over here. Now here next question is, calculate the volume of gas X at STP if it occupies 380 liters at 300 Kelvin and 70 centimeter of mercury. So what is the volume of a gas X at STP if it occupies 380 liters at 300 Kelvin and 70 centimeter of mercury? Yes, very good, Sri Kishun. Very good. Okay. So let's try to solve this question, everyone. So the gas, we have to find out the volume of the gas at STP. Yes. So at STP, pressure is like 1 atm, that is equals to 76 centimeter of mercury. Yes. And at STP, your temperature is 273 Kelvin. This is the initial condition. Final conditions are V2 is 380 liters, your T2 is 300 Kelvin, and your P2 is 70 centimeter of mercury. Yes, numerical. Ma'am, these measurements are not there from stoichiometry. Harsh, what are you trying to say? Which measurement are you talking about? So this is the numerical given in the question. Okay. So here we'll use the combined gas law. Okay. So P1 V1 by T1 is equals to P2 V2 by T2. Simple. P1 is 76 centimeter of Hg. Okay, stoichiometry was there in semester 1, but these gas laws were not included. Yes. Yes. Piyush, here 760 mm of Hg, why you will take? No, because here already you're in question, the pressure is given as 70 centimeter of mercury. That is 70 centimeter of Hg. Yes or no? See over here. 70 centimeter of mercury is given. So why to take 760 mm of Hg? Let it be your 76 centimeter of Hg only. Similar thing is there. Okay. So let's try to solve it. V1 is, we don't know. We have to find out that thing. T1 is 273. Now P2 is 70. V2 is 380 liters and T2 is 300. Let's try to solve it. So 70 into 380 by 300 into 273 by 76. 0, 0 cancel. 3, 9 ja, 1 ja. So here 38 2 ja. 2 8 ja 16, 2 ja 6 7. So 91 into 7 by 2. How much you are getting as the volume? I'm solving over here. 91. 7 is 7. 7 is 63 by 2. That means you are getting the volume as 2 3 is 6. 2 1 is 2. 2 8 is 16. 318.5 liter. 318.5 liter is the answer. Clear? So here you are getting the answer as 318.5 liters. Clear everyone? मैं तो बस STP की वैल्यू okay. Okay, so it's clear. The numerical part is clear to everyone. Like this, we are going to solve the numericals. Okay, so wherever your two things are varying simultaneously, like your pressure was varying and your temperature was varying. Okay, so you in that case you always need to use the combined gas law or the gas equation. Clear? Chalo. So I hope it is clear to everyone in the class. Tell me fast. So honest. Okay. Chalo. So let's focus on our next equation, next numerical. I am just removing this part because I have to solve the other also. So I am just removing this. Okay, so let's try to solve the other question. Now you have to find out a gas occupies 70 liters at 27 degrees Celsius. What volume it will occupy at 273 degrees Celsius, pressure remaining constant. Very easy question. Very easy question. Okay, all of you seen the question? All of you seen the question? Clear? Now let's try to solve it. So gas is occupying your 70 liters at 27 degrees Celsius. That means V1 is 70 liters and T1 is 27 degrees Celsius. Convert it to Kelvin. It will be 273 plus 27. It coming out to be 300 Kelvin. Now in the question it is given pressure remaining constant. So of course this is your Charles law. Because in Charles law only we keep your pressure constant. And then V2 we have to find out. T2 we have been given as 273 degrees Celsius. Convert it to Kelvin again. 273 plus 273 it coming out to be 546 Kelvin. So solve it. So according to Charles law, you have the equation V1 by T1 is equals to V2 by T2. Yes, very easy. So V1 is how much? 70. T1 is how much? 300. V2 we don't know. T2 is 546. 546. Solve it fast, everyone. So V2 how much you getting? 70 by 300 into 546. So 0, 0 cancel. 3 10 ja 30. 3 1 ja 3. 3 8 ja 24. 3 2 ja 6. Yes. Now it is coming out to be 7 2 ja 14. 7 8 ja 56. 7 5 carry 7 ja 7 5 12. Means 127.4 liters. This is the volume occupied by the gas at 273 degrees Celsius. Is it clear to everyone? Please let me know. Yes? I hope the questions are very simple given in the sample paper. So these are the two equations from gas laws and we have completely solved it. Very easy questions. Now let's try to solve the question number C. Everyone please let me know if it is clear to all of you or not. Yeah? Clear? Okay. So let's try to solve the question number C. So calculate the relative molecular mass of each of the following. You have to calculate the molecular mass of each of the following. This is a very easy question. Yes, ammonium dichromate you have and you can see the atomic mass of every atom you have been given. So very simple question. You can easily solve it. The molecular mass of ammonium dichromate, yes or no? Should I solve it or should I leave it? Yeah, very good Harsh. Let me check if you're giving the correct answer or not. Let me check the calculation part. So your nitrogen is 2. Yeah, 14 to 28 plus your hydrogen is 8. So plus 8 plus chromium we have 64. So 2 4 8, 2 6 12, 128 plus 7, 16 7 ja 112. Harsh, it is coming out to be 294, I suppose. Okay? Yes. It is coming out to be 276. Very sorry. You have given the answer 294 and the answer is coming out to be 276. Okay? So let's try to solve it. Okay. I was simultaneously solving it. Okay, it's okay, Harsh. So ammonium dichromate, you have NH4 twice Cr2O7. Yes, this is the compound. Now nitrogen has atomic number atomic mass 14. So 2 nitrogen, so 14 to the 28. Hydrogen has 1, so 4 to the 8, so 8 plus. Chromium has 52 it has. I calculated with 64. Chromium has the atomic mass 52. So 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10. Your oxygen has 16. So 16 7 ja 112. Let's add it all. Okay. 112 plus 108 plus 8 plus 28. It is coming out to be 256 only. So 256 AMU is the answer of potassium dichromate. Okay, sorry, ammonium dichromate. Then we have hydrated copper sulfate CuSO4 dot 5H2O. So actual atomic mass of copper is 63.5, but for calculation purpose, I think in the question paper it is being given 64. Clear? So here you can see copper is 64 given. So whatever is given in the question paper, that atomic mass only you have to take. Okay? Do not take it on your own. So 64 plus sulfur we have 1 atom, so 32. Oxygen we have 5 plus 4, 9 atom. So 16, 9 ja 144 plus 5 2 ja 10 atom of hydrogen. So 10, add it, 4 to 6, 4, 10. Then we have 6, 3, 9, 4, 13, 1, 15, 16, 1 and 2. 260 AMU is the answer of this hydrated copper sulfate. Okay? Clear everyone? Just check for any calculation mistake if I have made any. Okay? I hope it is clear to everyone. AMU it's coming. Yeah, that's why I told you to please check the calculation if I made any mistake. So 144 plus 32 plus 64 plus 10. 4 4 8 2 10, 1 carry, 6 4 10, 3 13, 1 14, 15. Okay, yes. Thank you, Harsh. Okay, thank you, Harsh. It's 250 AMU. Okay, so one mistake, calculation mistake was there. So this was all. Very easy question. Let's come to our question number 5. Okay. So let's try to solve it. What do you understand by the term isotopes? What is the meaning of this term isotopes? Huh? Can anyone tell me this thing? It's clear. Yes. Dev, you are just writing the reaction of concentrated H2SO4 with copper sulfate, hydrated copper sulfate. That is not the case over here. You have to calculate the molecular mass. Okay. Okay, so try to answer this. What do you understand by the term isotopes? So isotopes are the, yes, same, are the means part of or type of same element, atom of same element having same atomic number but different atomic masses. Yes, very good. Same atomic number but different atomic masses, like your protium, deuterium and tritium. These are the isotopes of your hydrogen atom. Clear? Now, why do isotopes of an element possess identical chemical properties? Why do all the isotopes have similar chemical properties? Everyone try to answer this question. Okay. So, because the isotopes have similar atomic number, and as you all know, the valence shell electrons are responsible for your chemical properties. So, all the isotopes have similar electronic configuration. Hence, they possess similar chemical properties. Okay. Clear? So your isotopes of any element will have identical chemical properties because of the same arrangement of electrons, or you can say same atomic number. Yeah, no, Harsh, because they are atom of same elements, that cannot be the answer. You have to write because they have same atomic number, so similar atomic electronic configuration and similar valence shell electrons. That's why they will have your same chemical properties. Clear, everyone? Okay? Chal. It's okay, Harsh. Now, name the isotope of hydrogen which does not have a neutron in it. Which isotope of hydrogen does not have a neutron in it? Try to answer this question, everyone. Which isotope of hydrogen does not have a neutron in it? Okay. Very good, all of you. Protium is the isotope of hydrogen which does not have a neutron in it. Yes. Hello, Ashlesha. Very good. Yes. So, correct answer is protium. Now, state the type of covalent bonding in the following molecules. What type of covalent bonding is found in chlorine? All of you, please answer this question. What type of covalent bonding is found in chlorine? Single, double, or triple? Try to answer it. Very good. Yes. Triple in nitrogen, very good, and double in oxygen, very good. So yes, very good, all of you. Yes. Now next is your, okay, let me write the answers for you. So the correct answer is here, so you have already answered protium, and this is here chlorine, chlorine single bond, nitrogen, nitrogen triple bond, oxygen, oxygen double bond. Okay. Now how would you distinguish between the following pairs of substances on the basis of chemical test given in the bracket? Sodium chloride and potassium chloride on the basis of flame test. Tell me fast, your basis on the basis of flame test, how will you differentiate between sodium chloride and potassium chloride? Okay. So whenever you are burning like ionic compounds, generally the elements having low ionization enthalpy, they will impart some color to the flame. Okay, whenever you are burning these things. So whenever the elements with low ionization potential are heated, they show some color. Okay, so what type of color is shown by your sodium chloride and potassium chloride? Very good, Harsh. Yes, NaCl will show your yellow flame. Yes, NaCl will give your yellow flame, golden yellow, while a potassium chloride will be lilac. Lilac, or you can write it as violet also. Violet color. Basically, lilac is nothing but your violet color. Okay. So, yes, your NaCl will give yellow flame and KCl will give your lilac or violet flame. Okay. Yes, Piyush, I have taken it from ICSE website only. Okay, everyone. So let me write the answer for all of you. Why you are asking Piyush this question? Is the question very hard or very easy? Okay, so let me write the answer for you. So your sodium chloride burns with a yellow flame and potassium chloride will burn with a violet flame, or you can write it as lilac flame also. Now you have to differentiate between your zinc carbonate and lead carbonate by dry heating. Okay. So tell me fast, what happens when you heat your zinc carbonate and lead carbonate, dry heating? Try to answer it. Okay. Zinc carbonate residue white in color and lead carbonate residue yellow in color. Okay, Parsh, you have given the right answer, Harsh. But you have to write it like when zinc carbonate is heated, it forms a yellow substance when it is hot and becomes white when it is cold. But your lead carbonate will produce lead oxide, which is throughout it will be yellow in color, be it cold or hot. Okay. So चाहे गर्म हो चाहे ठंडा, your lead oxide will be will be yellow in color. Okay. So let me show you the reaction. So I am just going to erase all the ink on this particular paper. So your zinc carbonate, when you heat it, it decomposes to give zinc oxide and carbon dioxide. So zinc oxide is yellow when it is hot, and upon becoming cold, it it gets converted to your white color mass. Okay. But your lead carbonate, when you heat it, it produces lead oxide and carbon dioxide. So lead oxide is yellow throughout the reaction. Clear? Okay, Harsh, chalo. So very good. So in case of lead oxide, you have yellow residue in hot and cold, both the conditions. But in case of zinc oxide, you have yellow residue when in hot condition, white residue in cold condition. Clear? So in this way, you can differentiate between zinc carbonate and lead carbonate by dry heating both the compounds. Clear, everyone? Chalo, try to answer the next question. Now state if the solubility increases, decreases or remains same with the rise in temperature for each of the following compounds. Okay, so you have been given some compounds. You have to tell me what will happen to the solubility. Will it increase, decrease or remain same with the rise in temperature? Okay, calcium sulfate, potassium nitrate or sodium chloride. This is from your water chapter, everyone. Okay. Clear? Okay, hello Shiv. Dates are released. Yes, I got to know that dates are released. Okay, so you are having your chemistry exam on 13 May. That is the information I got here. So be very serious while preparing for your exams now for class 10, because the dates have already been released and there will be your offline exam. So you have very less time in your hand for preparation. Okay. Okay. Clear? वाटर भी नहीं पढ़ा मैंने, एग्जाम में नहीं आएगा तो. ओके पीयूष, नो इश्यूज. So let me tell you the answer for this particular thing. Your calcium sulfate, okay, it will have a little bit, the solubility will increase with the increase in temperature. Okay, after some time, after attainment of a certain temperature, your solubility for calcium sulfate will try decreasing. Okay, it will start decreasing upon increase in temperature. Clear? Yes, ma'am, I will do my best in chemistry. Yes, Shiv, all the best from my side. And I am always there for chemistry. Which book are you following that you don't have water chapter? Okay. It's in syllabus only. Concise. I studied in class 8. Okay. So in class 9 also you have water chapter. So for calcium sulfate, there is a decrease in the solubility with the rise in temperature. Clear? Your potassium nitrate. Okay. If we talk about your potassium nitrate, so with the increase in temperature, the potassium nitrate solubility is increasing too much. Okay. So with the increase in temperature, the solubility of the potassium nitrate will increase very rapidly. And for sodium chloride, the solubility will be increasing a very little with the increase in temperature. Clear? So I have already given you the answer. So let me write it for you. For calcium sulfate, the solubility decreases with the increase in temperature or with the rise in temperature. Potassium nitrate solubility increases And for sodium chloride, solubility increases very little. Okay, solubility increases only a little, very little with the increase in temperature. Clear? So this is the answer over here. Just try to see the answer. For calcium sulfate, your solubility will rise with the increase in temperature. For potassium, solubility decreases with the increase in temperature. For potassium nitrate, solubility increases with the increase in temperature. For sodium chloride, solubility will increase only a little with the increase in temperature. Is it clear to everyone in the class? Okay. Let's try to answer what is the difference between temporary hard water and permanent hard water. Okay, so all of you can tell me what is the difference between your temporary hard water and permanent hard water. Yes? Okay, so what is the difference? Tell me fast, Piyush. Chalo. So temporary hard water will contain the bicarbonate salt of your calcium and magnesium, and permanent hard water, it's not Piyush like that. Okay, temporary hard water, let me write the answer for you. So your temporary hard water, okay, it contains the bicarbonate salt of calcium and magnesium. Okay, and your permanent hard water will contain your sulfates and chlorides. Okay, sulfates and chlorides of your calcium and magnesium. Clear? So let me write it for you. Permanent hard water contains chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. Soft and hard water. No. I just asked what is the difference between temporary hard water and permanent hard water. Okay, Piyush, Hers, I hope all of you have got this. Now, next question is, write the balanced chemical equation for the removal of permanent hardness. Okay, you have to write the balanced chemical equation for the removal of permanent hardness of the water. Okay, so what is the balanced chemical equation? So for permanent hardness of removal of permanent hardness, what we can do, we take a calculated amount of soda ash, that is your sodium carbonate, and we mix it with your calcium sulfate or the hard water which is containing your calcium sulfate. Okay, so following reactions takes place. Let me show you the reaction. So I'm just removing these all inks on this particular paper. So the balanced chemical equation for the removal of permanent hardness is this. Calcium sulfate will be treated with your soda ash, that is sodium carbonate, to form your calcium carbonate and your sodium sulfate. Okay, so calcium carbonate will come out as precipitate. Okay, so this can be removed from the water and your water can be made soft. Clear? And similarly, if you have like calcium chloride, you take soda ash, you react, you put it in the hard water containing calcium chloride, and what happens? Your again calcium carbonate is formed and sodium chloride is formed. So calcium carbonate will come out as white, as your precipitate, white precipitate, and you can easily remove it from the water by filtration, and your water can be soft in nature. Clear, everyone? Is it clear? Okay. And one more equation is there. If you have like magnesium sulfate, so when you have sulfate salt of magnesium, so beside using your soda ash, you have to use your lime also. Yes. Why? Because magnesium carbonate is not fully precipitated. That's why. So in this case, you along with the using of soda ash, you have to use your lime water also, that is calcium hydroxide, which you were using as a Clark's method to remove the temporary hardness. Okay, so what happens in this case? Your magnesium hydroxide is formed as a precipitate, calcium carbonate is formed as a precipitate, and your sodium sulfate is formed. So you can easily remove this precipitate by filtration, and your reaction means water can be converted to your soft water. Clear everyone? Okay, so this was all for today's session, and we have come to the end of the session. So very less questions are now left. So only 2 questions are left. So you can do that, and you can ask me in case of any. Ma'am, in description it is written class 9. What you are writing, Harsh? Miss, in what description you are observing that class 9 it is written? Where? Harsh, it was for class 9, no? From these many times, from that time you are solving the questions, and this is for class 9. Water chapter, your flame test, everything was there for class 9. That's why Piyush was telling, no, that the question was asked from experimental part. Okay. So I thought, Harsh, you are from class 9 only. Okay. So here your champions batch we have for class 9 starting from already started on 2nd March. So those who are in class 8 and recently moved on to class 9 can join this batch. Also we have batch for class 10 starting from 16th March. So everybody who is in class 9 and moving on to class 10 can join this batch by taking the subscription. Do not forget to use my code Manisha Live for 10% discount. Also, if you are not sure, okay, so you can just download the Unacademy app, watch all the special classes. To watch my all special classes, you need to use this code Manisha Live to unlock the classes. Okay. Okay, Harsh, no issues. So here you can see that with this we come to the end of this session. So I hope you liked the session and the session was amazing for all of you. Yes, Piyush, I know you are moving to 10th. So please do take the subscription if you are interested in preparing your class 10 with Unacademy. Okay, and do not forget to use my code. Okay, so do not forget to use my code Manisha Live. Okay, and also do not forget to subscribe to this channel and download the PDF notes from the Telegram channel, whose link I have given in the starting of this session. Okay, so bye everyone. Thank you and good night. Let's meet tomorrow again. Okay, so bye.